I like being a dentist here at Winterholler Dentistry because of the group of people I'm surrounded by. It's a fun group of people to be around, makes going to work every day enjoyable. My favorite thing about being a dentist is being able to give someone their smile back. Patient care is everything. That's the main goal, and I think that everyone who works here feels the same way, that we're always trying to put the patient first. That's what this profession is about. I believe it's important to have a good relationship with our patients because I want to treat patients exactly how I'd want to be treated. What brought me into dentistry was my experience with orthodontics, getting my smile back, and it helped me gain a ton of confidence in myself, and I think that's important for a lot of other people to have. It's an amazing feeling being able to see someone smile. As a dentist, I expect myself to hold myself to the highest standards. I'm very detail-oriented. I'm also very compassionate and caring, and I want the patient to know that about me, that I'm here for them. I want to get them to the right spot, make them happy, help them achieve their goal.